No nonsense performance. That's what the tagline says. But does it really? No nonsense performance? No. Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the Cooler Master CK550 V2. So this is the version 2 of their CK500 series mechanical keyboards. So what makes this keyboard unique from the original version? Firstly, the wrist rest. So the very original version, it didn't come with the wrist rest, but I believe they actually heard the feedback of the community stating that, you know, this keyboard is good, this keyboard is great, but what's even better is you can have something that is economically very good to put your hands on, so you can actually use for long periods at a time. Nowadays, you know, when we buy gaming monitors, we don't only use the monitor for just games. We actually use the monitor for work as well. If let's say you are typing, right, you know, you're a person who is an accountant, for example, you need a lot. Yeah, it's actually better to use a gaming monitor compared to, you know, some regular cheap keyboard. Did I say monitor? Sorry, keyboards. Yeah, it's actually better to use a gaming keyboard rather than, you know, some other cheap keyboard. Here we are with this particular one is the Cooler Master red switches. So by the way, they are not cross-compatible. The colors are not the same colors as your cherry switches, so this is actually a clone, which I have forgotten so the particular brand of it. So let's open this up. So as you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't really opened it yet, but I can vouch for this product because I really love the CK500 series. I own two 530s and two 550s. They're crazy. I love it so much. I love the blues actually. The blue switches are the clicky ones. So they actually, yeah, I love to piss people off, you know, especially when you're gaming and you're streaming, and then your teammates are dying, and then you are like, yeah. Okay, so what do you have when you buy this keyboard? Firstly, you will receive this customization / documentation guide. So it actually shows you all the different, I have no idea what this is, some function letters and combinations, very important. So this keyboard actually supports on-the-fly adjustment, so you don't need to install the Cooler Master software. You can actually adjust all your lighting and all the shortcuts, everything right as it is without the memory. So it actually shows you the instructions for everything. Alright, but personally for me, I would just install the software because it's easier to look at the screen and know what you're clicking. Alright, this keyboard is 104 keys, so this is a full standard layout. Okay, this is not the 10 keyless one, this is a full one. Okay, and it's full 100% mechanical, which means that underneath the switches, every single one of them, they're all mechanical. They're not membrane or, you know, half. Right, we have 1 millisecond response rate and 1000 Hz polling rate. Okay, 512 kilobytes memory, onboard memory. So what that means is, even when you save the profile on, let's say, desktop A, when you bring the keyboard over to desktop B, your profile will still be carried over. So you don't need to re-download and reconfigure everything again. Especially if you use macros, or if you custom have a custom profile on some of the keys. Okay, you have a fixed rubberized 1.8 meter single USB cable and USB 2 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but it's painted purple because Cooler Master. Yeah. One thing I want you guys to take note is it has only one USB cable. Okay, this is very important because other gaming monitors, right? I'm looking at you, Corsair. Other gaming keyboards, right? They have two USB cables that you need to plug in. Usually one is for power and the other is for sphericals. So I don't like that because your desktop already has very limited USB ports as it is. Why would you want to waste one more? So this is actually good because you only need one. Yeah, so one port to rule them all. Okay, and it comes included with Keycap Puller. So how do you use the Keycap Puller, you might ask? So here's how you do it. So follow me up. So you pull it like that. Okay, grab it, make sure it's down there, hold the keyboard down and pull it up. Okay, so that brings us to the switch itself. So the switch itself has actually red switches. I mean, hence the red, right? Yeah. So if you want to put it on, you just put it on just like that. Yeah. Okay. Hey, did I put it? Yeah, put it on correctly. So on the base of the keyboard, okay, you have your feet. Yes, only one height setting, is either on or off. Yeah, I like it on because it's more ergonomically more comfortable for me. Okay, so yeah, just to give you guys of a sound test, yeah. Alright, so yeah, I know some people really love that, but I'm a fan of blues, so I really love the clicky sound. Yeah, this is red, so red switches are more linear, if you might be asking. Brown switches, they are more tactile, and blue switches are more clicky. So clicky means yeah. Okay, let's talk about the wrist rest. So the wrist rest is a pretty standard foam material, as you can see here. Yeah, it's easily compressible. Yeah, so what you do is you put the keyboard in front, you connect it to your computer, of course, put it there, and then you put your wrist rest right there. Okay, so unlike more expensive keyboards, which the wrist rest, you can actually attach it physically to the keyboard, this does not. So just make sure it just placed there. It's good enough. So when you use, you'll notice that it actually has a less strain on your wrist, which is actually very good. Alright, if not, that actually sums up our unboxing and first look at the Cooler Master CK550 V2 Red keyboard. So yeah, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.